Hey guys, I am Maya. I am 20 years old and I'm obsessed with natural hair. That person that like stops you in public to say how much they like your hair, that's me. So I decided to start a YouTube channel because I just enjoy hair so much. I enjoy doing my hair. I do it all the time. And at school, I've had people ask me, about the styles that I do or the products that I'm using or different tips and tricks and things like that. So I was like, why not share that with everyone? So here we are. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about my natural hair journey, how it started, where I am now, that kind of thing. So basically, I'm going to go all the way back. So elementary school, I grew up in predominantly white schools. So they had their hair down, blowing in the wind, ponytails, all that. And I had my four plaits with the balls on them. And that was fine and dandy at first. But then I'm like, okay, like, I got inches. I want mine blowing in the wind too. So 5th grade comes. I still have my plaits. And I'm like, Mom, please do not make me go to middle school with these plaits in my head. Like, don't do that to me. So I get a relaxer for my 5th grade graduation.
Honey, I just knew I was cute. Like, you cannot tell me a single thing. I'm in the house taking pictures with a camera. Didn't have no type of phone. I'm taking selfies, holding the camera backwards.
Yeah, so I'm like, okay, I'm hot stuff. But really, that was like the start of the decline of my hair. I started getting really bad breakage, really bad damage. I had a lot going on. It was not good. So basically my ends were super thin. So if you took a piece of my hair or like a chunk of my hair, at the top it would be like this thick, and then by the time you got to the bottom it would only be like this much hair left, and like that's not okay. So high school, I decided that I was gonna go natural, start over, transition. So like just grow a little bit, cut a little bit until all my relaxer was completely gone. So I'm transitioning, and that thing was hard. Like, my hair is thick. I cannot emphasize how thick my hair is. And so I had these thick, curly, healthy roots and these raggedy, crusty, dusty ends. And so trying to do styles and things like that with these two polar opposites was not working for me. Like, I didn't know how to do it. So I was out here looking rough. But I was like, it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna tough it out. But then senior prom came, and I didn't really want to tough it out no more. I was like, I have this nice dress, I'm trying to take some good pictures. I can have my hair looking busted. So I get another relaxer. This was like May of 2016. So I get a relaxer for prom, but then that's the last one I ever get. And so I'm like, okay, this time I'm gonna transition for real. I'm gonna make it all the way. We're gonna do this thing. So I transitioned for about like 7-ish months or something like that. And then I'm just chilling one night doing my homework, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna cut my hair.
So I call my sister. I'm like, see, I'm gonna cut my hair. She's like, hey, big child, okay. And I call my mom. I'm like, Mom, I'm gonna cut my hair. And she's like, okay. I'm like, no, really, like, I'm about to cut all my hair off. She's like, whatever you say. Like, she doesn't think I'm really gonna do it.
So I go home for spring break. This is March of 2017. So I go home, I go to Sally's, I get some shears, call my sister. We hit my bathroom in my house, and we get to cutting. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. But yeah, so cut all my relaxer off. I have like this much hair. I'm pretty sure I came out of the womb with more hair than this. So I'm in the mirror and I'm like, okay, it's not that bad. Yeah, I look like a little boy. I really, really wholeheartedly look like somebody's son. And so I'm sitting in front of this mirror like, it's not what we expected. It's not really the look we were going for, but here we are. Even though I was like, yo, like I look like a little boy, at the same time I was just like, yes, I love it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It was very it was a very love-hate moment. But it was definitely more love than hate. Because I sat myself down. I was like, even though you're not that cute right now, you're still cute. So don't even worry about it. That is really what I consider like the major start of my healthy hair journey, because when I was transitioning, I wasn't really taking care of my hair the way that I should have been. Like it was just kind of there, honestly. Because I was so frustrated with the transitioning process and not being able to like navigate my two textures. So when I chopped, I really, started being intentional about the health of my hair, started doing research, testing products, figured out what my hair liked, what my hair didn't like, and somewhere along the way, I figured it out, and, here I am now. I started doing protective styles, braids, crochet, wigs, experimenting with that. Okay, so like everything that I do to my hair, I do myself. I had a traumatizing experience in high school, and I vowed on that day that I would never, ever let anybody ever touch my hair ever again. And I still, like, that day still haunts me. Like, it still hits. Yo, let me just tell this story. I went to get, like, a side bang, like a little swoop. You know how you used to have a little right there. I left that place with, like, it was the worst experience I've ever had in a hair salon in my entire life. And it was the last experience I had in a hair salon because I was done. Like, it was as if she gave me like a front bang and then just like pushed it over. It was like, there you go. Like, no, but it wasn't even a front bang because it was so short. Like, it was like up here and just kind of like.
Oh, I was so heated. I cried. My dad thought it was funny. He was like, it's laughing like it's gonna grow back.
That wasn't the point, because that wasn't what I asked for.
So yeah, everything that is done to my hair, I do myself. And so that kind of just like helped me gain, I guess, like experience, knowledge. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm just always willing to try anything and figure something out. So I'm gonna start documenting those moments. So yeah, stay tuned for experiments, protective styles, product reviews, tutorials, all that good stuff. If you have things that you would like to see me do, let me know. Put it in the comments and subscribe if you feel led to do so. And I will see you guys next time.